I do find really weird about cruise ships is that the light switches are always on the outside of the bathrooms. Maybe it's just in the cruises that we've been on, but I feel like every cruise I've been on, it's been like 3 or 4, has it on the outside. Kind of weird.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we are on Freedom of the Seas, and today we are cruising on a budget because we have an indoor stateroom and we're going to give you a quick tour. So stick around, check it out, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are, we're in room 6491. It's an interior cabin, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so full disclosure, this is a interior cabin and it's a bit small, but we're gonna make this a quick video because we got really cool things to check out. So let's do that room tour. So right through that way is the main door. We'll talk about the bathroom over here in a second, but here we have, let's see, how to wear your life vest. It's very important. This is the do not disturb sign. You do have a little peephole here, which is not really a peephole anymore because there's no cover on it, but that's okay. You got your lock, you got your light switch, you've got your like changing area, or not changing area, what is this called? Closet. Looks like we got a safe there, some storage, some of our bags. Not sure what this is. Maybe it's a, oh, it's a little like rack for something? Okay. Up top you've got some hangers and some more storage all the way at the top. Alright, and then coming out of the little entryway there, we have a desk here. Right there. We have this really big mirror. We have a thermostat, which is already set to cold because it's a zillion degrees here. Down here at the bottom, so I think this one, maybe? Ah, there we go. Wow, look at that. Okay, so, well, alright, plenty of light. So, okay, so we have the desk, we got the light, we got some storage down here. We do have a fridge, which we're pretty excited about because we brought some energy drinks from home. We have our TV, and then here we have some more storage, and I believe, oh nice, these curtains actually do come all the way out. Very cool. Alright, so from the main living area over to the right, we have some art. I don't know if that's a rose or a orchid, I'm not sure. But we have a nice big old bed here. We do have a big old mirror. Hello. We have 2 bedside tables with a little light. I'm looking for some plugs. I don't see plugs by the bed, but we'll keep looking for those. We do have another light switch here. Let's see what this does. Oh, it turns off that one above the bed. Okay. Very cool. I know we have storage under the bed. Now, this room is a adjoined room, but we don't know the people who are staying there, so that is locked by our cabin steward. We have a little comfy chair here. Have a full-size mirror. Hello. And then in here is the bathroom. Let's do a bathroom tour. One thing I do find really weird about cruise ships is that the light switches are always on the outside of the bathrooms. Maybe it's just in the cruises that we've been on, but I feel like every cruise I've been on, it's been like 3 or 4, has it on the outside. Kind of weird, but let's go check out the bathroom. Alright guys, and here it is. So we have a circular shower with adjustable shower head. We have a laundry line up there, hot and cold and all that good stuff. So apparently they are offering a double duty hair and body wash, so I'm sure it's going to do great things for your scalp and your you know, maybe take all the color out of your hair, but it's fine. We have some, we have a dry rack up there, we have some towels, we have the commode. Under here we've got some more storage, trash can, sink, some cups. Yeah, all in all not too bad. And I thought maybe this was a pop out. Oh yeah, here we go. And we even have some storage up here. Hi you.
Hi.
Luggage is here. Very nice.
Arrived.
All right.
Glad to see that $2 per bag I slipped the bag attendant paid off. Like it showed up.
Yeah.
Big spender.
Right. So I do have something cool to show you. Oh look, we got privacy curtains over the bed. So when you want to put the light on, you have to wake me up.
I see that, yeah.
Very excited about that.
Yeah.
Not here, I'll leave this way.
Yeah, so I mean, I guess it works too if you're not cruising with your significant other. You could, you know, change or whatever.
Yeah, because they will separate the beds. That could be one, like, double bed or 2 single beds.
Yeah, although honestly, I kind of get hospital vibes from it.
Maybe a little bit. But the curtains do look, I mean, they look very clean. They don't see smudges on them, so pretty cool.
All right.
We are on the hunt though for plugs. I think.
Got a 240
I
volt.
think that might be it.
2 120s.
Yeah, I don't see anybody by the bed though. And Lewis pointed out that there is a plug up here too for, I guess, your doors. Well, I guess for shavers only. So,
yeah,
ladies, you cannot dry your hair in here.
We'll do 120 or 230 volts.
Yeah, there you go. Pretty sure you guys are sticking along because we are on a 3-day, right? 3-day? Call it 3-day?
3-night.
3-night. There we go. 3-night.
4 days. 4 days, 3 nights.
We're on a cruise. That's all I can say. We're on a cruise. So make sure you hang out with us because at the end of the cruise, we will give you guys our pro tips. So you'll see that in just a couple seconds. But and then we'll talk about the quirks and features of the room at that time. Sound good?
Can't wait.
All right, so excited.
So Freedom of the Seas is the namesake vessel of the Freedom class. Yeah, so it was the largest cruise ship at the time when it was built in 2006 until it was eclipsed by Liberty of the Seas, her sister ship, which was slightly larger.
Aw, Liberty of the Seas. I miss the puppy. Fun fact, we did not name our dog after after a cruise ship. So the cool thing about cruising is they always leave some sort of something on your bed, right? So this is kind of telling you about the deals that are on this this cruise. Alright guys, so some of the things that they also give you that's on your desk is we bought the internet pack. Oh wait, no. Alright, this is just telling us that if we're going to book the, since we booked the jet ski tour, make sure you book the right ticket, not just the passenger, but you also have to book the driver. So we actually booked 2 drivers for us. This is telling us how to get onto our Wi-Fi, and then this is more information about how to be a great member of the Royal Caribbean and Crown and Anchor
Crown and
Society?
Anchor Society.
Yeah, we gotta get you hooked up with that, babe.
Yeah, we'll give you a crown, we'll give you an anchor, and toss you overboard.
Oh god. Here are some things that I, since I am a gold status, which means literally nothing on Royal Caribbean, I get some of these free perks, of which Lewis does not have that because bro decided to, I don't know, not giving his anchor information in time.
I've given you a bunch of times. I don't know why Royal Caribbean keeps shafting me, so.
Alright, we'll go fix today.
Yeah, we're gonna get that figured out on the ship this time. I should be gold status too. I've been on all the same cruise ships you have.
Yeah, you have been.
Yeah.
Good times. On both sides of the vanity, you can see there are shelves and these little mirrors. Open it up. Pretty cool.
Alright guys, and here are your pro tips for an inside cabin on Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas. Pro tip number 1 is regardless of what type of cabin you have, on the first day is a great idea to meet your cabin steward and to introduce yourself and show your appreciation with a cash tip, and that way you make sure that you get the highest quality level of service you possibly can throughout your stay. Pro tip number 2 is your first day is a great time to unpack and get all that stuff out of your suitcase so that way you're not tripping on it throughout the entire stay. Pro tip number 3 is once you have unpacked, stash those suitcases underneath the bed. The bed is raised up and purposely built so that way you can get those suitcases out of the way. So that's going to do it for us today. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments below. Do you prefer an inside cabin or a balcony cabin? How do you like to cruise? We'd love to hear about it. And that being said, we're out of here and we'll see you next weekend.
What we're on.
Freedom of the Seas.
Okay. Scoot to the right a little bit.
To the right.
Yeah. I was left. Sorry, my right. Your ticket, you have to also book a... Seriously, dude?
No.
What happened?
Well, my laptop and everything just hit the ground.
Whoops.
All the electronics. Alright guys, so here are your pro tips for Royal Caribbean's. No. Alright guys, so here are your pro... Okay, we're gonna try this. Don't fall over. Hold the camera up higher.
I got little arms, it's heavy.
Grow taller. I'm doing it right here.
No, you're yellow, hang on.